Good morning, everybody. I am here on my cruise, getting ready for the day, about to put my wig on. And today we are having our wig sale in store. I'm trying to get my watch on. We're having our wig sale, so we're having $100 off wigs in store, as well as free custom colors. So a lot of you ladies who have been waiting to get beautiful custom color, now is the time. Custom color is included on all wig purchases from Magic Hair Company today. Of course, I have my wonderful bonnet on and I'm getting ready to do this install. So last night when I took my wig off, I put our satin bonnet on. Our satin bonnets are fully lined, so they're perfect to use on your natural hair, as well as you can put them on your wigs. So today I'm putting on another one of my favorites. I did bring her with me in our wig wardrobe bags. Of course, these are what you need to travel with your wigs in style. Very convenient, very easy. They're available on our website. Let me tag them below. We only have a few left. So if you are going to be traveling, or if you want to discreetly keep your wigs at home, you need one of our wig wardrobe bags. It has a zipper here, so you slide your wig in there, and there's a hanger in here. And yeah, these are great. I've been working on these for a long time. Bayao pow pow, this is what you need to travel with your wigs in style, ladies and gentlemen. Hi everybody. Okay, so now let me get back to putting my wig on. So this is one of my top 5 wigs. Yesterday's wig is my new favorite, my 26-inch wavy wig. But yeah, I just wanted to get on today since everybody was asking what I'm doing. We're somewhere in the middle of I was just about to ask you what ocean we were on. We're in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, and I'm really glad that I'm able to do the live because, you know, they be trying to not give us good internet here. But let me put this wig on since today is a sea day, which means we don't get off the boat today. And I'm just putting on my wig. We probably will go to an art auction. We'll probably play some bingo. We will eat good, of course. This is our paddle brush. We actually have 2 brushes available. Let me show you guys the brush is available there. And yeah, so our wigs are glueless. You don't really need to glue down your wig. I really only glue down my wigs just to do videos. Tomorrow I will glue down my wig because we're going ATVing. So of course I want to glue down my wig. How do you purchase? So you can actually just click the link on here. This is a shoppable post on Facebook. So anything that you see here that you want, I will have it tagged. But if you're watching this video after and you want to make a purchase, you can just go on over to magichaircompany.com where everything is available. So this is our hairline on our wigs, and my wig is secure. Yeah, I usually don't glue down my wigs, but I will today just because I know you guys like seeing me glue down my wig. So that's really the only reason I'm gluing down my wig. And it might be a little bit windy outside, but in general, I'm not gluing down my glueless wig. So it's really secure. Woo. Whoa, I'm dizzy. I've been really dizzy lately. So yeah, the wig is secure, not going anywhere, blah, blah, blah. But I will tack her down really quick, and I will try to do this entire video in under. I was about to put some lotion on. This is my favorite lotion from Trader Joe's. So let me do this. I have 6 minutes left. Let me get this down. So if you are a person who likes to secure your wig, what I'll be using today is my Got to Be spray. I'm really trying to do this in under 10 minutes, but you see we're already on minute number 4. So I will pull back all of the hair from the hairline and secure her. You see I'm using my Magic Hair Company clip, which these are not for sale. These are only available in store, and I kind of give them out for free to people who make purchases. So I'm pulling all this hair off of my hairline, exposing my lace a little bit because that is the best way to get everything under. So I'm pulling all these little baby hairs right here, and you need the baby hair on the wig because that's what helps your wig look really natural. So I'm just going to pull this up, make sure everything will fall right into place. And this is a time where if you are somebody who loves baby hair, which I'm one of those who don't have time to fool with baby hair, this is when you can kind of comb out some of these little hairs here to just kind of fall really natural on your hairline. It's completely up to you how you want to do your hairline. So this is how much I pull out here, just a little bit, because when I'm gluing down my wig, that's what's going to fall really cute. This is also available. Let me tag that here. Again, everything's available at magichaircompany.com. Did I show you guys the brush I was using earlier? Obviously this video is going to be like 11 minutes long. I'm really trying not to do it too long. That's the brush I was using earlier. I am about to use my elastic band, which is not tagged here. You okay, honey? Okay, so I'm going to use my elastic band. Oh, it's so beautiful out there. I'm about to turn the camera over there to show everybody how pretty it is. This is outside of our room. So we always get balcony suites because my husband spoils me. And that's what our balcony looks like over there. But back to my video. So now that I have everything just so delicately placed up, I will roll this up a little. And I'm going to spray some of my Got2b spray. So the most important part of what we're going to spray now is the sides over here. So for the sides, I like to spray on top and above. So I'm spraying on top here, below here. And people ask why I don't use wig spray or wig glue, because wig glue is messy. It's just a lot. It's messy, it's gunky, it takes too long to put on, and it rips out your edges. I'm all about healthy hair. So I put a little bit of this right at the edges, making sure it's on the bottom here. And now I'm going to just hold my wig down into place right where I want her to fall. And now I am going to use my elastic band just to secure her into place here. And that's it. Okay, so now my hair is kind of getting out of place here. Let me pin this back. And our elastic band has 3 inches of Velcro to secure it. And that's it. So now I'm securing this. Most importantly, I want to secure down my edges over here on the hairline, because that's the only part that will really lift up. Whether you wear our wig with or without glue, it will with spray, it will lay flat right here. So a lot of times when I'm doing my wig installs, I don't even put any glue right here, just because I know that the wig is going to, right here, it doesn't budge at all. It's over here where sometimes I need that little extra bit. So if I was in a real rush, I would actually just get the blow dryer and dry this here, but I'm only in a little bit of a rush. So now I'm going to go back to styling my wig and let this kind of dry. Give it a good 10 minutes here. Make sure you have that pressure there. I'm going to use the paddle brush. And sometimes when I travel with my wig in our wardrobe bag, which is this bag here that we're about to sell out of, we have less than 25 left. My wig does not come out as crisp as when I do it at first. So now I'm about to style her. I'm going to start with my hot comb here. Our hot combs are available. Next item. And yeah, but this is definitely one of my favorites. View item. And my husband's getting hungry. So our hot comb here is a perfect item that you need for if you want to like really get this pressed down right here. Ooh, hot. Because, you know, sometimes when you travel with your wigs, or if you're putting on a wig that you freshly just washed, you kind of need to get this hump right here under control. And you can't really get it with the flat iron. You have to use the hot comb. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just getting this down a little bit more. All of our hair is human hair, so it's not going to burn or smoke or anything like that. That only happens with plastic hair, and we don't have no plastic hair at Magic Hair Company. If you're just tuning in, we are having our wig sale today. Wigs are $100 off, and custom color is free. We have a few different custom color techniques we're trying out, so that's why we're doing custom color. And then we need to clear the racks because I have a lot of inventory and not a lot of space. So this is what I was using here, our hot comb. We have them available in a few different colors. And yeah, I'm good to go here. So last but not least, I will be using one of our flat irons to kind of give her a little bit of a bump. We have our flat irons in two different lengths or two different sizes available. This is our 1 inch, and we have a 1 inch and a 1 1/4 inch. So it just kind of depends on what you're styling your wig for. This is the flat iron I typically travel with because I can also curl with this one. So for my wig tomorrow, which is my red wig, I will be able to add some curls into her with this flat iron. So with the smaller flat iron, you can definitely do some beautiful spiral curls, whereas with our larger flat iron, it's more for when you're really just flat ironing out something. So yeah, shop with us, guys. Just getting everything cute, bumped. Tonight's formal night. I can't wait to show you guys my outfit for this evening. It's a showstopper. And yeah, she's done. She's good. She's ready to go. Honey,
yes.
Are you ready to go?
Yes.
What do you want to eat today?
What's it supposed to
Besides for... Oh, we're on camera.
Whoa.
Oh. Shh. I forgot I was on live.
Girl. Well, it's supposed to get some wings.
Ooh, that sounds good. Okay, guys, so this is done. This is ready. Shop with us at magichaircompany.com or shop with us in store. In store, we have a more variety of wigs because we don't always have time to get everything on our website. And now I'm going to take my band off. As I said before, it does have elastic on the end here, which gives you that additional security. And yeah, so you see I kind of have these few little hairs right here, which I could kind of just brush out and trim, but I won't even worry about it. And yeah, we're done, we're ready, we're good to go. There's my hairline. And like I said before, if I was a person who was into baby hair, this would be when I comb out my baby hair, either now or before I add the adhesive, just to add that little bit of extra zhuzh. And because our lace is nice and long on the sides, that gives you the ability to have this little bit over the ear here, or you can cut it off. The choice is yours, it's up to you. So she's done, my wig is on. And yeah, I'm ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. Shop with us at Magic Hair Company in store today for our $100 off wig sale. We also have our medical reimbursement where you can get a free wig from your, you can get your wigs covered by your insurance. Just get your prescription from your doctor and we can get your wig covered by your insurance that you're already paying for. We can definitely get you a, what does this say? Okay, I need you to not spam my post. But yeah, so we can definitely get your wigs covered with our medical reimbursement program. Shop with us at magichaircompany.com. We have the best of the best of the best wigs. We only have glueless wigs. We only have human hair wigs. We can custom color any of your wigs. They're vacation ready. Shop with us if you want the best. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys soon because you know when I'm on vacation, I take about 4 to 5 wigs with me and we'll show you each and every wig that I'm putting on. Bye.